ETH we start with the weekly chart, and based on weekly chart, we don't see anything. The only thing is with the breakout of the all-time high, we can look for 6.1 following by 7.8. And if now the question is whether we can expect, if we refer to daily chart, daily correction for continuation, or we can expect the price tag and retest the previous low. Mostly we're looking for continuation, and the possibility for the price drop to 2 and retest this 2K and to retest this low is very low. And that's mean for me, I'm looking for buy if I get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame. And if we move to daily chart, this is what I'm referring to. And we don't see any trade setup. That means we have to refer to lower time frame. And if we move to forward chart, similar explanation, how deep this one can go. Simply, we can put our fib here and look for 60, maximum 60%. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup. But if we refer to the 1 hour chart, how we can look for trade. For me, if I want to look for trade at this point, one of the opportunities to put our entry above here. Simply, we don't take the trade. We put our entry above here and we put our stop loss below this. If the prices start to drop, continue and drop, then we are safe and we are not in trade. But if we see any reversal as a sharp move, we will get the trade. And within the 2 hours, if there is no continuation, we will take out the trade. This is how we can look for trade. But as we can see at this point, this is starting to drop. And this is one of the option we can look for buy. And the second one is if they start continue and drop, retest or break the previous low following by divergence, then I will look for the uh next trade setup, either as a reversal as a sharp move flag, or I will look for the previous top to put my entry above here, above that. That's mean if the price continue and drop and retest this low, then for me, I'm not really interested to put my entry above here. Okay. In that case, if the price tag or break, there was no, correction to put our entry above that, then we look for the reversal as a sharp move flag. But if the price drop, break, growing by divergence, if I see any opportunity similar to what we have here, any correction below this low, then I will put my entry above that. Okay, what I want to say is that having entry above here, at this point, we can do it. By having our stop loss below this, then what we want to price sharply tag, break, and continue. If the price tag within the first 2 hours, there is no continuation, we will take out the trade. But if the price continue and drop, retest or break, tag or break this low following by divergence, either we look for the reversal as a sharp move flag, or if the price tag, we see any opportunity similar to what we have here, then we can put our entry above that. But if the price break this low, then having entry, or tag this low, then having entry above here, I'm not looking for. Okay. Anyway, at this point, we don't see any trade setup. The only option is this one. And if the price this low, then it's not valid. And the only things I'm looking for, whether I can see the divergence here before I look for the trade. And if we move to higher time frame, with the breakout of this top and the all-time high, this is the targets we're looking for. And we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.